It's Bill once again from Melbourne City Maintenance, and here we are painting another weatherboard home in Thornbury. And this before and after is going to be a dramatic one. We can see the colour scheme is a bit dated and old, and the colours around the window are probably leave a little bit to be desired. Most importantly, it's been around 20 years since this place was painted, and it's starting to show some signs of wear and tear. There's also a lot of damaged weatherboards and rotten weatherboards that we'll be replacing, and we're going to make this place look completely different to what it looks now. The before and after is going to be a dramatic difference. What we did is replace some of the weatherboards that have been put on incorrectly in the past to patch up new areas of wall or extensions or installations of new windows. And we're also fixed some weatherboards that were put on in an uneven manner and increased the aesthetic of this building, as well as we placed some frames around the windows, some architraves that were missing, and we sanded back and removed all the flaking paint. And this is the end result. We have a very fresh and light color scheme that's not in your face, it's very subtle. And check out the difference between the before and after. It's a completely different home, and the neighbors are really getting inspired and contacting us and asking us for a quote. The deck was freshly painted. The windows now don't look silly. They look like they blend in with the rest of the trim work, and they don't stand out as being an ugly yellow color. All the weatherboards that were rotten have been replaced, and check out this amazing view of this weatherboard home. On the side, east facing east, we have replaced a lot of weatherboards. The fence has been installed, and now this decking area where the family hangs out and spends a lot of time is just completely different. With the boards now being level, the windows having a frame, and this west side getting a lot of attention because it's the one that gets the majority of the weather.